Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin. Check out that new shirt, Man Kitchen Recipes on YouTube. All right, I added the Zia symbol in the background because you know what? I do a lot of New Mexican cooking. I use a lot of green chilies and just about everything, so why not, right? All right, tonight, winter chicken dinners. I picked up this rotisserie chicken out of the deli section at Walmart. There's on sale for $3.04. And I'm gonna take this chicken, look at this thing. I'm gonna take the skin off. I'm gonna shred it all up, or take it all apart, take the, all the meat off the bones. And we're gonna make some dinner out of it. I'm gonna make several dinners out of it. We'll see how many I get. And I gotta tell you, they had about half a dozen of them there, and now I wish I would have picked them all up and then just vacuum sealed them and used them for later dates, because what a deal. $3. And I'm gonna make a bunch of different dinners. Check this out, and hey, I hope you like it. All right, there you go. It took all of 5 minutes to take the meat off of the chicken. I've got a couple of drumsticks, a couple of wings I can heat up, and a nice bag they gave it to me in. It makes a perfect bag to throw away all the bones and cartilage and all the stuff, all the unwanted chicken stuff. All right, so there you go, $3.04. That's gonna make, for me, oh goodness, probably 2 or 3 meals anyway. How you like that, Rob? Rob the poor guy, huh? Okay, so one of the meals, look at there, I do buy these chopped salads. This is the Mexican street corn. I'm not always a fan of the dressing that comes with them. I am a fan of some blue cheese, so I got some Lighthouse chunky blue cheese I'm going to put on here. Okay, and then yeah, I'm using that chicken, that rotisserie chicken for $3. Put a handful of that on there. And that chopped street corn comes with this corn and some spices. We're going to get that in there. And it comes with some Parmesan cheese, but I'm going to use the Mexican 4-cheese blend right in there. And look at there. Right there is a chicken salad dinner. Can't go wrong with that. One meal so far with that chicken. Meal number 2. All right, dinner 2, I guess, with this chicken, $3 chicken. Always got to heat up a tortilla. All right, so we're going to bring it over here, and we're going to put a nice handful of chicken in there. Put some diced onion. That I got to have some green chili inside. And we're going to put some cheese inside. I love cheese. All right. Burrito rolling 101. Fold it up. Fold it over. Roll it up. It's not that hard. There we go. See there? Got your burrito rolled up both ends. Okay. Got it on the plate. We're going to smother it with some green chili sauce, because I love smothered burritos. If you've never had them, you got to try it. Red sauce, green sauce, either one. Out of the jar, heck yeah, you can make it homemade. I'm satisfied with this jarred green chili sauce. And, of course, more cheese. Okay, put some on the beans. Got some refried beans. I'm gonna zap it in the microwave to melt these, melt this cheese, and we'll be right back. There you go. The only thing you need now is some Mexican rice, homemade. I do have a video on how to make this. It's so good, so easy. Yeah, you'll never buy any pre-made ever again. All right, there you go. Dinner number 2: chicken burrito, refried beans, and rice. Meal number 3. Dinner 3. I got some shredded chicken, got some yellow corn tortillas, some cheese, some homemade salsa, and some olive oil. So we're gonna have some chicken tacos tonight on the Blackstone. Let's lay down some olive oil. All right, so this is dinner 3 from that $3 chicken. First, we want to get some cheese all the way around here. Yeah, because these are going to be special tacos. Okay, we're going to let that cheese melt a little bit. Now we're going to lay down some chicken in the middle. Better not put too much, right? I got to get some salsa in there. Okay, now you can put whatever you want inside of your chicken tacos. I'm going for homemade salsa. You can put tomatoes, onions, whatever you want. Fold that over and let it crisp up. I kind of like to get a little bit of the toastiness on there. Look at that. Okay. So another minute there and we'll take that off and finish up and show you what we got. Look at that. Alright, we got some cheesy chicken tacos going on right there with that little fan cheese going on. Look at that one, man. Meal number 4. Alright, going to use a little bit of garlic, and then we're going to take some green chilies, the Hot Bueno Hatch Autumn roast, and I'm just going to scoop this in there. Well, just kind of eyeballing it. I'm probably going to get just around a cup, just about that much, and then probably about, I don't know, maybe a teaspoon of salt. Add that in there. Let's blend it up. Let's make a pizza. Right. Dinner 4, pizza. Green chili chicken pizza. All right, so got our green chili sauce here. For our sauce, shredded mozzarella. Still using our $3 rotisserie chicken. Let's get that all on here. I got it all shredded up. Gotta have green chilies. Dinner number 4, green chili chicken pizza. Meal number 5. Dinner 5. We're going to heat up some olive oil. You can use canola oil, whatever you want. And there we go. We've got our tortilla shells softened up. Okay, so I've got roughly one loose cup of shredded chicken. That's the last of that shredded chicken. And I'm going to throw some cheese in here, although I know it's probably going to melt out, but I'm going to throw, I don't know, what's that, a quarter cup maybe? And then of course, you know, for me, I'm going to add some green chilies. You don't have to. You can add whatever you want or just leave it as is. A little more, and just mix it up. Okay, and I think I can get at least 8 taquitos out of this, maybe 10. We'll see. So for the taquitos, I got my softened tortilla, and we're just going to put a little bit of meat in there, put as much or as little as you like. Taquitos, sometimes they're real small, sometimes they're real fat. And I'm just going to take these and roll them up. Might have to make some fatter ones, but that's going to be one of them. You don't need very much, but you can make a lot of them. Try to get them rolled up tight. Ended up with 10 of them. You can put them in an air fryer. I'm doing it in my air fryer combo, but I'm going to use the oven part at 400 degrees. So I ended up going 24 minutes at 400 degrees to get these. I like them a little more crunchy. And rice, some salsa. If I had some guacamole, I would have it. But there you go. Taquitos and rice. Man. Last but not least, meal number 6. All right, meal 6. I bet you all thought I forgot about the chicken legs and the wings. No, come on. All right, so we're going to throw these in the air fryer. This is the 6th meal out of that same $3 rotisserie chicken from Walmart. Let's go temp. Let's take these wings at 400 time. I'm only going to do these for about 4 minutes. They're already cooked. We just need to get them heated up. Boom. If they're done in 2, they're done in 2. Be right back. 2 minutes in, let's see how we look. Yeah, they're looking all right. I think they need to go a couple more though. Just let them go. All right, look at that. All right, skin feels pretty good. We're gonna go with that. All right, there you go. Meal number 6. I mean, you know, this can go on one plate. I had some leftover Mexican rice still, cheesy broccoli, man. Meal number 6, that's out of a $3 rotisserie chicken. That finishes this off, so yeah, let's have a little chat. All right, there you go. 6 meals out of 1 rotisserie chicken. Now, I know, I didn't make them all for more than, you know, a few people. A couple of plates for one. Most of the plates, 2 to 3 people. That pizza, you know, you can get 3 to 4 pizza. You can get 3 to 4 people eating off that pizza. That thing was amazing, that New Mexican green chili chicken pizza. Anyway, man, I gotta tell you, food's expensive. Make it go as long as you can. I had the tacos, the tostada, the chicken salad, the pizza, the chicken legs, and the taquitos. That's right. I had to remember what all I made out of it anyway. I hope you enjoyed that. Obviously, you don't have to make all 6. You can make 1 or 2 of that out of that rotisserie chicken, but you know, even if you paid full price, I think Walmart's rotisserie chickens are $6 or less, and they can really go a long way if you utilize them properly. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this winter chicken dinners video, because man, love chicken and there's so many things to do with it. I hope you have